In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable thinking mode in Claude Code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find Claude, write a clear prompt, switch on extended thinking, and submit it for a deeper, more thoughtful response. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Using a search engine is the quickest way to land on the official site, especially if you haven't bookmarked it yet. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press enter. This search will bring up the official Claude website at the top of the results, so you don't have to guess the correct URL. Click the official Claude result to open the site. You should arrive at the chat interface. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log in so you have access to all available features. If you land on a dashboard, choose to start a new chat so we can compose a fresh message. In the message box, write your prompt. For this demo, let's use the future of crypto and blockchain technology. Keep your prompt clear and concise, but specific enough to guide the model. If you want, you can add context like your target audience, the desired depth, or a preferred format. Just don't overload it with unnecessary details. Strong prompts set the stage for strong answers. Before you send, look for the extended thinking option. This is effectively the thinking mode for Claude Code, and it gives the model extra time and capacity to reason through complex tasks. Click or toggle. Extended thinking to turn it on. If you don't see the option, make sure you're in a chat that supports the latest model. And note that availability can depend on your plan or region. Now, click Submit. With extended thinking enabled, the response may take a bit longer as the model works through the task more thoroughly. That's expected. In return, you'll often get a more organized, nuanced answer that handles multiple angles or constraints more reliably. If you need faster drafts, you can send without extended thinking, and then re-enable it when tackling more complex analysis, planning, or code-related reasoning. When the answer arrives, read it carefully. If it's close but not quite there, refine your prompt and submit again with extended thinking still on. Small tweaks, like specifying time frame, technical level, or output structure, can dramatically improve results. Keep in mind that extended thinking may use more tokens or time, so turn it on when depth and accuracy matter most. And that's it. You've found Claude, written a prompt, enabled thinking mode, and submitted your request for a deeper response. Practice this flow on a few topics, and you'll quickly know when to switch extended thinking on for the best outcomes.